fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over there.
What's up, lifers? I hope the lighting's good enough. It is early in the morning. It's like 6:14. I've done watered and fed and everything else. I'm finna work on the compost heap. For the first time, well, I've turned it in a while, or I've turned it ever. It's just been growing. I finally got a pitchfork. That's what I got for my birthday the other day. It's probably not the best one in the world, but it was what we found on Amazon for a decent price. I'll link it in the description if y'all are interested. Go check it out. Probably not in view. Alright. I'll be back here in a minute. I'm going to start turning it and I'll show y'all what it looks like when we're turning it. Alright, let's see if we can get this going. Alright, let's put some stuff in. I've not been keeping it wet enough, that's obvious. Alright, we're finna soak it down real good. And I'll put some more leaves on it. I'll be back in a few. I gotta go get some household waste. I'm gonna re-top it, then I'll wet it again. Alright, I got the food waste on there. I try not to put too much meat, but a little bit of meat gets in there. I would suggest no meat if you can keep from it. But, do what I do, I'm gonna wet it down again. And then I'm gonna rake some more leaves up on top of it. Wet it down again. Tomorrow I'll probably come out here again and add rabbit poop to it and add another layer. And then once a week I'm gonna come out here and stir it around. I'm hoping by spring I have a good bit of compost. If I keep stirring it, supposedly it'll heat up faster. I may have it by the fall, so we don't know. We're learning as we go. Don't let me bullshit you and act like I know what I'm doing. I don't. Alright, now we're gonna cover it up. All right, lifers, I hope y'all learn a little bit when I do stuff like this. Y'all are learning with me, I promise you. It's all new to me. I've gardened my whole life, but doing it this way is something different for me. Making your own dirt. This whole hill's got good dirt on it under these leaves. As good as you get. I'm gonna clean this out next spring. This whole thing's gonna be some kind of garden. I don't even need to till it. I can just break it up with that pitchfork. I'm gonna let the leaves fall on it this fall and set on it until spring. I get in here and get all this pulled out and get it out of the way, cut out, get all these vines out of here during the winter time. But it'll get, as you can see, the sun's coming up, it's shining on me. It'll get a good morning sun, a good evening sun. Maybe like a herb and stuff like that, garden. Maybe some tomatoes in it. You can't never tell what I put all in it. But it's a big space. It was a flower bed for the first 5 years I lived here. Then I lost interest. I'm gonna try to have some raised beds in the yard. This won't be a raised bed. This will be a flat on the ground bed. Got a place down by the road that I'm gonna try if I can get the tractor running, where I'll plant my peas and onions and stuff like that. We may have cucumbers over here. Watermelons will be down there. But whenever I start planting it, I'm gonna mulch the whole bastard where I don't have to weed it, and it'll hold moisture. Alright, hope y'all enjoyed my rambling. Hope the lighting's good enough. If not, I'll try to brighten it up on edit. I get through here, get everything put up, I'm going fishing. I will announce a winner in the community section by Wednesday on the giveaway. If y'all hadn't registered in the giveaway, this is Sunday, go get in it. It's some baits I'm giving away. Go check it out. And we gone.